श्री गुरु वैष्णवा शाग्रजातं सहगण रघुनाथं ईतं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्ण चैतन्यदेवं श्री राधा कृष्ण पादं सहगण ललिता विशाखान्वितं भज श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। All glories to Sri Guru and Gauranga. All glories to Sri Guru Parampara. All glories to Hare Krishna Mahamantra Sankirtan. All glories to Harinam Chintamani. All glories, all glories. There's one devotee asking question, how can I satisfy the devotees? Yeah, chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra and explain the glories of our previous teacher, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Radha Krishna divine couple. That is the way to make devotee happy, satisfied. Okay, now then, Yashoda, Ukraine. If we get even a drop of taste, we will be saved from this material world. But taste of it, I think he is trying to say taste of chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, I think. Why does not Krishna give it? Why only through suffering and complete disappointment? That is English from Russia. So anyway, first of all, we have to know the material world means three types of misery always will disturb us. Material world means Maya world. Maya means which is not truth. We are thinking it is truth. Just like a run behind mirage. In desert field, run behind mirage. Looks like water. You are thirsty. Looks like water running behind. Little far. Mirage. It is mirage, not like water. Like a reflection of sun on sand that make us feel like a water. Similarly, material world, actually there is no happiness. But we are feeling there is happiness. Like different way, like to marry, to get education, accumulate a lot of money, wealth, and then marry, then children. All we are thinking it is happiness. But most of our previous teachers, they say, material world, each person is like one problem. When you are alone, I am sannyasi alone. I have only one problem. But when person marry, his wife, one person, you are one person, both, two problems together. And then when together, wife and husband, then bringing children, there are also one problem. How many children? That means problems. So all problem together. The problem, we add problem. So problem increase or decrease. So similarly, material world, there is no happiness, but we are thinking to get happy, to become happy. But Hare Krishna Mahamantra chanting, when through chanting when we will get the free from all anartha. Anartha means unwanted, mundane desire. That time, influence of material world means Maya Devi. Maya Devi's influence will be less. Then we can feel happy. We can feel happy ourselves. We can feel the Krishna's mercy. Whatever we have, all Krishna's mercy, and become happy. So, why only through suffering? Because suffering means the suffering world. When you are in the summer season in India, you have to always feel this hot. No, you cannot say why in my Ukraine country always cool or cold. There is no hot. But here in India, when you are here, summer time, 47, 48, 50 degree, we have to suffer. So we are in the material world. That means it's like so much problematic world, distressful world. We have to always suffer. Here, we can see I have rush, so much rush. Down less, 25% is exist now, 75% less. Because I am here, I cannot say, oh, I am in Vrindavan Dham. Why? I am suffering here. This is material world. Material world will work accordingly. We should not blame Srimati Radharani, oh, I am in a holy dham. Why it is not cool place? Cool is there. When come October, November, right? October, November, cool. Cooling place. So no harm for that. If you come to winter time, 0 degrees Celsius here, 5 degrees Celsius, bathroom have no heating system, room has no heating system, outside, inside, everywhere cold. So if we say, why not a kind of summer time? Summer time you have to feel hot. Winter time you have to feel cold. We should not blame, we should not blame the Lord. So apply your intelligence, chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra, free from all material, unwanted, mundane desire, anartha, then you can get the taste. Taste of chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra is blissful. Even people accusing you is unnecessary, that also make you feel happy. You feel that Krishna, such a merciful, maybe in near future I am going to do that. So this person sent by Krishna and protect me from upcoming dangers. You know, Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta also he said like this way, whoever surrounding me, they are my Vipadudharan Bandhan. Vipadudharan Bandhan means they are protecting myself from material upcoming dangers. He is not telling they are my disciples. Vipod Uddharan Bandha. They are friend to protect me from upcoming material dangers. Bandham means friend. So this is the way you have to think. When you become free from all material unwanted desire, then we feel everywhere Krishna's mercy is going on. I think you understand, Jashoda? So I have to go through that lessons, Harinam Chintan. There is no other question from, I think no question from, let me check, no question from south of France, Australia, Australia. No question from Australia, south of France, Damodar, no. Okay. So these are the questions I got. So today Harinam Chintamani. Krishna nevertheless continues to show them mercy. Just now I say. Always he is, Krishna is. Everything Krishna's mercy. You know, real devotee, when they become sick or ill, whatever you say, when they are in danger position, they are thinking that it is Krishna's mercy. Chaitanya Charitamrita says, Jato dakho Vaishnavere vyavahara dukkho Nishcha jani hataha paramananda sukho. How many distressful situations surrounding us. Real Vaishnava, real devotee, they are thinking, this is my happiness. Why? Jato dakho Vaishnavero vyavahara dukkho. Dukkha means distress. How many distressful situations surrounding Vaishnava, and Vaishnava are feeling happy because, just like I explained before, but because Vaishnava thinking that this Krishna protecting me, maybe Krishna giving me lesson to keep tolerance. Nishchay, meaning definitely. Nishchay jani hota, definitely you have to know what? Paramananda sukha. This is happy, blissful, happiness. Blissful, paramananda, blissful, yeah. That we have to understand in that way. The surrounding, all the atmosphere is not favorable for me because Krishna give me the lesson how to keep tolerance. You know, I feel always when I cross the border in USA, US custom, immigration, as soon as you are Asian body, the treatment different. You know, last time when I entered, in September, last time I went, I came to, several times I came. July I came in New York and left. I stayed only 4 days and left Canada. And then August I came in, then I left for South America. And I went to Costa Rica or Central America. When I coming back from Central America, Costa Rica, Avianca Airlines, and then they stopped me. As soon as they saw strange dress, beard, Chaturmasha Bhato, beard is there. That lady smiling, they said, we want to chat with you. I said, okay, go ahead. No, not here. Secondary checking. Secondary hall. I said, okay. Then I saw so many people are there. My file they are keeping aside and All the other people, white-skinned people, they are just checking and let them go. And then when they call me after 2.5 hours, they ask me, what's your purpose to be here? I am coming, I am a monk. That means you are coming here for collecting donation. I know. I have a friend. They have society. They are inviting me. I don't believe. They again, another inspector. I just, oh my God. Then, almost after 3 hours, they say, okay, they are not giving a passport freely. They locked it. My bag should be checked on everything in custom. It's immigration, custom. One bag locked. I cannot open that. Only custom people can open. So they're putting stamp on there, everything, because they're not getting anything wrong with me. They want to check my bag. Just last year, 2019, September. And then custom officer from Mexico. I said, sir, what happened? I cannot understand. Yeah, that is our law, you have to follow. Open your bags. I open. You look like a real monk. Nothing is wrong with you. Okay, go. Said, anything wrong with me? No, nothing is wrong. Should I get problem when I come next time? No, right now is no problem for you. Go. Give me passport and come. After 3 hours. So this is, I'm coming from early morning I started early morning from Costa Rica. I had desire to reach USA at Amdaswab's house around 10 o'clock. Maybe Anuradha's, I don't know actually. At 10 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 7 p.m., I reached 11 p.m. Because from after that, I reached there 5:30. They said, enough time. So this is the custom. I saw Lord is testing my tolerance. So this is this way. Jatodakha Vaishnaver Vyavahara Dukkha Nishchay Janiyataha Paramananda Sukha. How much distressful situation they are facing. You have to know they are also releasing in that way, they feel happy in that way. Paramananda Sukha. Blissful, happy. This is the perfect. I think I explained once. My spiritual master looks like she is facing lots of trouble, and because he is manifesting past time, she is actually manifested the past time, or you can say past time or treating disease, the disease, and he is not speaking anyone of it. Looks like his actual vocabulary gone, brain not working. It was that situation. 1999, May. Middle of May or 11th of May, he manifested the past time, started to manifest the past time. And then we took him Calcutta. I also explained once I brought Bhakti Kumar Santa Goswami Maharaj, because he has desire, therefore he called me. I went there to his ashram in Behala and took him. He has a car, took me to his car and came. As soon as I entered which apartment we kept Gurudev at that room, then he just folded it open. As soon as Santa Goswami said, Maharaj, your Shanta here. Then Gurudev folded palm and paying obeisance and showing me and then giving chair and prasad. After that again close his lips. That I saw. One day, it was Rasheshwar Prabhu from Malaysia. And we were 9-10 devotees in his apartment, that apartment to look after Gurudev at that time. So one day, early morning, Rasheshwar was there. It was his period to look after Gurudev. He was shouting, Maharaj, Maharaj, everybody come, because he is a good English speaker. Nice. And then he stay here. Right, Rasheshwar? So anyway, so he says, come, all we can. We saw Gurudeva's finger, index finger, towards the corner of the ceiling. One corner of the ceiling, corner in the room, in the ceiling, and he says, Bengali, dakho, and in English, look. Rasheshwar, a little bit talkative, He says, Gurudev, is it Mahaprabhu? Gurudev replied, no. Krishna? No. Prabhupada? No. Then we say maybe he's crazy. He was thinking. But then he said, look. Then all we are asking, what is this? Radha Rani. Then he pure vision like this. Everybody thinking his vocabulary gone, his brain not working, he is lying, he is completely unpaid. Everything he is doing in paid. Not able to walk, nothing. Therefore, from that day, I realized this text, Jato Dakho Vaishnavere Vyavahara Dukkho, Nishchay Janiyataha Paramananda Sukha. Definitely how much distressful situation Vaishnava are facing. They feel real Vaishnava, they are feeling happiness, blissful to all the distressful condition surrounding him. Because Vaishnava, they realize everything Maya. And Maya means what is not truth. We are feeling it is truth. We are feeling it is truth. Madhavi here, she may think that I am a girl. Yeah, this is true. Look, she is a girl. Other people may think I am a boy. But we are not girl, we are not boy, we are just spirit soul. Just spirit soul. We are thinking I am Indian, he is American, European. But as soon as you born different country, if you believe that reincarnation, then if you born in European, born in Indian, that time he says I am Indian. He was not, that person was not European. Actually, we are not European, we are an American, we are not Indian, we are actually eternal servant of Supreme Lord. That is actual understanding. When you are thinking material connection, material designation, material relation or keeping, we are in the clutch of the Maya. So, Krishna nevertheless continued to show them mercy. Tumi vibhu, tomaro vaibhava jiva hai. দাসের মঙ্গল চিন্তা তোমার নিশ্চয় দাস যাহা সুখ মানি করে অন্বেষণ অন্বেষণ means searching তুমি তহ কৃপা করি করো বিতরণ whatever we are searching Lord are giving Krishna যদি ছুটে ভক্তি মুক্তি দিয়া কবু ভক্তি না দান রখান লুকা if you really want bhakti from the bottom of our heart Krishna will give us but in the name of bhakti if you are asking some bhakti and mukti bhakti means enjoyment mukti means liberation so Krishna giving us enjoyment okay so tumi vibhu tomaro vaibhava jiva hoy to vaibhav opulence of Lord tumi means oh Lord jiva is your opulence this is true we just look temple is big temple but no devotee is the value of the temple nice temple nice deities but no people are living there what is going to happen in the material world that temple have any value big temple you can see Rupa Goswami Padma construct a huge temple all six Goswami they establish a huge temple where people are going devotees are going we feel this is glorious temple no devotees this is not glorious temple the devotees are living entities jiva so vaibhava opulence of the temple depends on devotees right similarly it says tumi vibhu you are vibhu means huge unlimited tomaro vaibhava jiva jiva actually onu tiny size tiny like a spark fire spark form tiny very tiny my spiritual master used to say jiva is like our connection with Lord soul like this one ray coming from Lord's lotus feet is connected with me with us therefore our body active when ray take off Lord take off the ray then we say we die just is true you can see heart is there oxygen in the air but heart unable to pump anymore we are not able to inhale oxygen nowadays you can see this all the scientists atheist scientists not theist scientists atheist scientists they are actually most of the scientists are atheists if you say God they are laughing really they are laughing they know God all this actually cosmic world everything chemical here so this is the situation because Lord how much we believe that much Lord will reveal in our heart if you don't believe whatever you ask Lord reveal in your heart if you want to be theist Lord give you all association send the association to become a perfect theist means astic believe God if you want to be atheist Nastic Lord give you intelligence how to become Nastic perfect Nastic how perfect atheist so tumi vibhu tomaro vaibhava jiva hoy jiva living entities is like your opulence Just I give you an example. Big temple, big deities, no devotees. People will think it is useless temple, right? Of course, this is our understanding. Gaur Kishore Das Babaji Maharaj, people used to go to him, but he felt obligation to visit so many people. Because most of the people, they are going there and asking some material gain from him. So therefore, he used to keep surrounding his kutir, hut, bone of fish, bone of different animals, peel of eggs. No? So people should believe, oh, he is a great Babaji, but why surrounding his kuti so many non-veg foods, extract of non-veg food? This is Gaur Kishore Das Babaji Maharaj. Why? Because he want to keep him away from all such type of obligation. People will come to visit him and asking. He don't want that. But one day he is showing us charisma, his charisma, devotional charisma. He called one doctor early morning. And Gaur Kishore Das Babaji Maharaj, famous Babaji in Navadvip. A doctor came happily. Oh, I got the chance to serve Babaji. He came, then he saw Babaji Maharaj sitting outside of his kutir on the sun. But it looks like he's okay. And totally confused. Babaji Maharaj said, oh doctor, okay, my Gaur-Nita is sick. Go and check and give them medicine. Doctor completely confused. Why? Because Gaur-Nita met with neem wood. The neem trees, that wood, that is made with that. How Gaur-Nita becomes sick? It's not possible. Then doctor standing in the same place. Then Gaur Kishore, loud voice, hey doctor, I told you go and check my Gaur-Nita. And then doctor, out of fear or scared, he entered and then touched Gaur-Nita, and he feel really they have fever. Then he said, give them medicine, and come tomorrow and check. Charisma, devotional charisma. So devotees is Vaibhav. Gaur Kishore Das Babaji Maharaj, although he was not appreciating so many people surrounding him, but people like him, his devotion. So he is Vaibhav. He is living entities, but pure devotee. He is opulence of Lord. So I think you understand what I want to say. Tumi Vaibhav, Tumi Vibhu, Tomaro Vaibhava Jiva hoy. Dasere Mangala Chinta, Dasere Mangala Chinta, Tomaro Nishchay. Das means all your devotees. How? Mangal means auspiciousness. In every steps, how your devotee in auspicious condition or auspicious atmosphere, always that is your chinta. You are always thinking about that. We can say we are always thinking their well-wishing, thinking how to become well-wisher of them, of your devotees, you can say. Nishchay, tomorrow nishchaya. You always want to make sure that your devotee always in the safe. You you make sure and thinking how your devotee always safe in auspicious condition. This is a word by word Bengali translation like this. I will read. There's a gross translation. Daso jaha sukho mani, das jaha sukho mani, kare anneshana. Whatever your servant feel or servants are feeling for their happiness, or whatever your servant are searching for their happiness, daso jaha, acha, tumi taha kripa kori koro bitorane. According to the desire of your devotees, whatever they are feeling that make them happy. Like we are thinking, if we make a big temple, make a guest house, nice guest house, then we can be happy. Now think about, I can tell you that when I joined to Gopinath Gaudiya Math, that time 2 rooms were there, only 2 rooms. Our Mayapur, 2 rooms, there is no running water. 2 rooms occupied by Gurudev. 1 room for his deities, another room for him. All used to sleep on the veranda. And no boundary wall. Dogs also coming, rainy season time, dogs also coming and sleeping beside us. Yeah. No running water. Only 2 hand pump. That 20 foot. One is 20 foot pipe and 20 feet well, 20 feet means pipe goes inside, because it's that time still Mayapur, if you make a tea oil on a hand pump oil, so you can just deep on the 20 feet, then you can get water. And one was 60 feet. This is for deity or sip, and one for our taking bath. But it was full of iron. That water full of iron and red. If you keep 30 minutes, water become red. This is condition when I joined. Therefore, we have to cook, to bring water, for cooking water, we are bringing from Ganga. Gurudev used to take Ganga water. In a fitkeri, I don't know English fitkeri, what is meaning? Alum. So we bring Ganga water, 1 bucket for Gurudev, and we put alum and make filter in that way. There is no filter machine, nothing is there. All these Gangas, the dirty things goes down, then we take the nice water and we will top out to Gurudev. And cooking water, Ganga water, because of the iron. We are 7-8 people was there, 7-8 devotees was there. They know so much seva, but just cooking, look after Gurudev, with no huge land, only 6 kata land. 6 kata means 720 square feet in 1 kata, times 6, how much? 4,200 square feet, that land. That is the condition of Gopinath Gaudiya Math in Mayapur. That time I came and I saw how much happiness I had at that time. Now, we're not feeling that much happiness. But always we're thinking, if we make 2 more rooms, we can be happy. We can manage everything. Then eventually we make this, temple, then guest house, then everything he made. But that happiness not coming back. Yeah. So, daso jaha sukhomani, whatever your servant think, sukhomani kore anneshon, whatever your servant is searching for his happiness, anneshon means searching, for his happiness, tumi taha kripa koriya, out of your mercy you are giving them, you are distributing that. If you are searching for make a big temple, big house, big guest house, big temple, everything Lord will give us. But reality we can see, because with material world, if the devotional practice properly not take place in the temple, then material influence will act accordingly. So much material influence will act. Actually, material thing influencing us. Krishna bahirmukh hoiya bhagovancha kare, nikatasto maya tare japotiya dhare. This is Krishna, Chaitanya Charitamrita says. Krishna bahirmukh. Krishna bahirmukh means just in the name of Krishna's service, when we are trying to get our bhagovancha, think about our enjoyment. Think about our enjoyment, material enjoyment. Nikatasto, because Maya always near to us. Don't think Maya away from me, never. Material world, Maya always near to us. Even you are devotee, yes, because Shastra says, Maya re koriya jay, chhalano na jay. We can conquer Maya, but we are not able to leave Maya. Maya always with us. Conquer Maya means when we become devotee of Supreme Lord and His devotees. When we become devotee of Supreme Lord and when we become a Supreme Lord and serve His devotees and serve Lord Krishna, then Maya they will not disturbing us. If you serve Gaur Krishna Das Bhagavan Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Prabhupada Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur and his disciples, Maya they will not disturb you. But if we have little bit another desire, in the name of the serving devotee, if you want to make, that's nowadays I want to be Acharya, so serve him. That finally you get the post, make him happy and get the post, and sitting there, and then we can act accordingly. The nikatasto maya tare japotiya dhare. Whatever out of devotional service, but devotional service means just not outwardly you are doing devotional service, internally you have other desire, that will come. Devotional service will not accept. Devotion means no expectation will take place. So anyway, nikatasto maya tare japotiya dhare. So Maya always with us and embrace japte. Japotiya means japte dharamani says tightly embrace. It is not possible to get rid from Maya. So therefore my spiritual master used to say, sannyasi, brahmachari, renounced person, they may conquer their lust, anger, greed. It is very easy to conquer. But it is very difficult to conquer name and fame. He used to say, name and fame, this desire is more dangerous than lust, anger, greed. If someone made mistake, lusty desire with the mistake, it is excusable. If he really regretting, we can excuse it. But if you are not regretting, then it is not excusable. You have to go. So it is not excusable. So therefore, Gurudev used to say, Mayadevi's last punishment to give us, means she is talking about him. Give us, means as sannyasi, give us with name and fame. That is punishment of Maya. Why? Because punishment, actually, as soon as you are the trap of the name and fame, what is the name and fame? Name and fame means pratishtha. What is the definition of what? The consequence of pratishtha. What Srila Prabhupada Bhaktisiddhanta says? Material name and fame is like a stool of hog. Jade pratishtha shukare revishta. Right? Material name and fame. We are in the spiritual chair. But inside my desire to get appreciation from you and all. This is nothing wrong for our devotees to give us pratishtha. But when I feel I am such a great, everyone appreciating me, that is the problems. Therefore, Prabhupada Bhaktisiddhanta says, when Guru think he is a Guru, Guru means heavy. Guru think he is a Guru, he is not qualified to become Guru. Instead of Guru, he become Guru, cow. Sudevi is serving every day. That's it. Cow. Guru, pious animal. To whom? So there, look, Guru actually, in the inner meaning is this: less intelligent, perfect position we have, but due to lack of intelligence, we are running behind name and fame, material name and fame. But if you are not running behind name and fame, material name and fame, you can see Gaur Krishnadas Babaji Maharaj, his picture everybody has, right? Whoever in the connection, Srila Prabhupada Bhaktisiddhanta, everybody they are keeping Gaur Krishnadas Babaji picture. Why? He has no temple. He has no any other disciples, but he make only one disciple. He was not running behind his disciple. Disciple was running towards him. Several times he refused, but refused in that way. Oh, you are coming for initiation, but I have to ask Nityananda. If he give me permission, definitely I will give you. Next time, again, Prabhu, if there is any message from Nityananda, oh, I forget to ask Nityananda. Come again. Several times, Prabhupada Bhaktisiddhanta went to Gaur Krishnadas Babaji Maharaj. After that, one day he decided, he says, yes, today Nityananda Prabhu gave me permission to give initiation. In that way. Look, Raghunath Das Goswami, he has such a huge, rich family, Jamindar family. He came to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu for renounce order. Nowadays, if any boy or girl, but not girl, boy has come to us, who belongs to a very rich family, extremely rich family, and if they approach Maharaj, I want to be brahmachari or gradually I have to take sannyas, I like to stay here in this, in your temple, what will say? Yes, stay. Huh? But Mahaprabhu what he said? fixed your mind, go back to home. Sthir hoya ghare jao na hua, don't be naughty. 3 words. Why? Because naughty he used because he never get mercy from Nityananda. Without Nityananda's mercy, no one get mercy from Lord Chaitanya. So sthir hoya ghare jao na ho vatul. Go back to home. Don't be naughty and fix your mind. He says, teaching us. So Siddhanta always Mahaprabhu showing us. But now we are actually split from our Siddhanta. Therefore, materially we are actually developing, but spiritually divided, degrading. So much doubt, so much intense relation, devotees, among the devotees. It is not actually favorable for devotional practice. But devotee supposed to, all the real devotee supposed to keep always amicable relation with everyone. Not intense relation. When this situation is coming to us, because how much we are in material, we have material attachment, that much intense situation, day by day, actually clutching us, day by day clutching us, trapping us. Therefore, for us, to focus, our preaching strategy should be focused on chanting. But nowadays our preaching strategy to engage people, just minimum round of chanting and engage people to spread the temple glories. That is the main problem. How much how much we are running behind material opulence, that much intense relation will take place in our mind amongst the devotees. That is the result we can see. Each temple devotee, same sampradaya, but material they are developed, but the relation amongst them, outwardly you can say, like our Chaitanya Math, they may say, Adi Math Chaitanya Math, I know because I was there since my childhood. Their understanding, all are bogus Math. Yeah. You can ask him. Before he was thinking like that. He from Chaitanya Math, Adi Math. All are bogus Math because they are fallen. Prabhupada Bhaktisiddhanta is a fallen disciple. Therefore they make temple outside of the Chaitanya Math. Even ISKCON was fallen. They used to say, I remember when I used to go to Chaitanya Math, when I asked them, can I go to ISKCON? They said, ISKCON is the Apasampradaya. I don't like to say the name of the sannyasis. Still he alive, I don't like to say. Apasampradayas. Shastra says 13 Apasampradaya, ISKCON one more. But this, I was totally confused, But I just, as soon as evening Arati over in Jogapet temple, just go there. As a student, I can just go there and see ISKCON and come back. But Maharaj catch me. Hey, where you went? Then I say, I told you, I don't like to go anymore. Okay. So look, they are worshipping Radha Krishna. We are worshipping Radha Krishna. Every temple worshipping Radha Krishna. Every temple glorifying Prabhupada Bhaktisiddhanta. Why they have read? What the problem is? But nikotastha maya dhare japotiya dhare. Nikotastha means Maya Devi is encouraging us. If you just individually make something opulence, then you can be popular. That we are running behind popularity instead of spirituality. Am I clear? So, daso jaha sukho mani kore anneshana. What your devotee, whatever they are thinking, that is my happiness. It can give me happiness, or it will give me happiness. As a searching about like name, fame. So, tumi taha kripa kori koro vidorone. You are similar, according to their desire, you are giving them, or you have distributed, vitaran and distribution. So anyway, let me read the translation. You are the Supreme Lord, and the Jiva belongs to you. You always think of the welfare of your servant. Das means servant. You mercifully furnish your servant with whatever he think to be a true source of happiness. They are thinking, not Lord thinking. Actually, we supposed to pray, oh Lord, engage me in your service. That is the prayer. But instead of that, what we are praying? You know, this Prabhupada Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur, I saw disciples, I saw my spiritual master. He gave him pen to write. Whole life he was writing. He also engaged him to worship Lord. Whole life he was. He thought, this is my Gurudeva's service. I don't like to leave it. So preaching was secondary for him. He never goes around the world for preaching purpose. Always in the holy dham, in the temple. But people running towards him. He never preached. But he preached, yes, he preached. How? His singing skill. He used to sing alone in the temple, not preaching field. And giving discourses. Also writings, Brihat Mridanga. So in that way, Madhava Goswami Maharaj engaged by Srila Prabhupada to preach in India. He preached. Whole life he was preaching. Sridhar Goswami Maharaj engaged by Srila Prabhupada for composing so many stotram. He composed Srila Prabhupada's stotram. Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Gaurakrishna Maharaj, everything he made. You look one by one. Bhaktivedanta Swami Goswami Maharaj, he engaged by Srila Prabhupada to preach. He had English speaking area. He told by Srila Prabhupada ordered him to do that. He did. Not when British occupied India, not that time. Difference is that. He sent Bhaktivedanta Tirtha Goswami Maharaj, Bhaktivedanta Bono Goswami Maharaj, and Bhaktisarana Goswami Maharaj. When he sent abroad Europe, it was British ruling India. It was another atmosphere. They are not as a guru going there. Guru sitting in India. Therefore, they had not that much success. How much success? Become Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj success because he going when India independence at that time. They are not They are not unqualified. They are fully qualified. Everybody qualified. If you listen Buddha Goswami Maharaj's lecture, then you can understand. His English, first class English. Sridhar Goswami Maharaj English, first class English. Even my Gurudev was English whenever he speaks English, British accent, because that time British ruled land. British accent, perfect English. Grammatically perfect. My English is not grammatical, it's all right. So whatever service they got from their Gurudev, they are focusing on that. 1994, 1994, he got pneumonia. After that, after 3 weeks suffering with pneumonia, his hands shaking more. Such a manner, hands shaking. When he write anything, he is not able to read after that. Then he was crying. And once he was laughing. He was not able to read what he write after writing. And crying in that sense that, oh, my Gurudeva's service, I cannot continue anymore. Then I approach him. Gurudev, you can tell me, I am not literature. I am a student from literature. I will write it. Then you can edit. You can tell me spelling mistake, I can correct it. He replied, Gurudev not giving me the seva for dictation. Just look how much faith he has. The service given by his Guru. So that, we are actually split from that. We are split from Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta's instruction. I explained yesterday. Everybody unitedly under one shelter spread the Rupa Raghunath's message with full of enthusiasm. But Rupa Raghunath's message we don't know. We have enthusiasm. We are not less enthusiasm. We have enthusiasm. We have enthusiasm, but a different angle. So anyway, with time over, 4 lines I read, but Bhaktivinoda Thakur's amplification I will read tomorrow on these topics. Hare Krishna.